Hi guys, it's Misty and Kim from Mimi's Wig Boutique, and today we're doing one of our favorite things that we do. We're opening our FabFitFun box. We ordered these, we love doing this, and we love the little surprises that they come with.
Yeah, because I mean, I kind of pay attention to the emails, but I don't ever watch those videos that people put, because the real good people get theirs before us, and so.
But I like the surprise.
I do too.
I like to know.
I do too.
I like to see it as it happens. So we have not opened these boxes. The only thing that Misty did was there's tape that closes the box. She's cut the tape, but we have not opened them. So we're going to open them right now.
Okay. Okay. And as always,
a catalog in case we want to order some more things.
Oh, HelloFresh, they've upped it to $80 this time. Last time it was $50.
Hey.
Okay.
All right, you want to go first?
You pick. Oh. Ours are totally different.
Well, not totally. There's some.
Well, let's do this. We have this first.
Okay. This is called Generation Clay. Brightening purple clay. Oh, brighten our skin.
I think it's for our hair. No, it is skin. Well, we use purple shampoo.
Well, that's true. That's true. I wonder what it smells like. I gotta smell it.
I love masks. I just never do them. Does it smell?
It smells kind of, it smells like something you get at a spa. It's like got lavender. It smells nice.
Well, the violet and lavender.
I'm gonna try it tonight. You might not recognize me tomorrow.
Not if you're gonna be that bright.
That's right. Shine bright like a diamond.
Oh, okay.
Let's do that.
You got Invisible Bobbies.
Oh, sure.
Baubles, whatever those are called.
Okay, well then, so did you.
Oh, I did too.
Okay, so these are just little hair thingies. Little
ponytail holders that look like phone cords.
I think that these will not tear your hair though.
They're not supposed to, and you're not supposed to tangle them in there, but for some reason, I got mine tangled. Because I'm talented like that. Okay, you pick next.
Okay. I bet you don't have this.
I don't.
Okay.
I'm a little jealous.
This is Jennifer Zinner jewelry. You see that?
That light's so bright. I don't know if you can.
Yeah, I don't know. It's baggy. Maybe they can't see. There we go.
Okay.
So it's a piece of jewelry.
That necklace we got last time, I didn't wear it for the longest time, and then all of a sudden I put it on. I was like, I wore it yesterday.
So this is gold, and it has little dainty stars on it. So that'll be cute with a pair of gold earrings. I don't think it's terribly long. It's cute. It's real cute. All right, you go.
Do you have this?
I do.
This is Wish Powerfully. This is an exfoliating foot mask. This I will use. But, oh, I'm sorry. These lights are so bright. But this is from Wish, W-H-I-S-H. Exfoliating foot mask. Softens and smooths.
Coconut milk and verbena.
I will definitely use this tonight. It's all sparkly. Okay. We got this.
Spray all day. What is it? Oh, it's the hydrating facial spray.
Yes.
Oh.
It's by Grace and Stella. We keep a Mario Badescu up here all the time. Just that little bit of rose spray.
You just need a spritz on your face. I think I need one right now.
Okay, spritz.
Okay.
You open spritz. I love a rose spray. I don't really like rose scented things, but I do like the rose spray. It just makes me feel pretty. Spritz me. Oh, and
it's just a light rose.
Yeah, it's
but
not real
it feels
heavy.
good on your skin.
Yeah, this is great if you're like hot or you just need a little extra hydration through the day.
Yeah.
This is great. I'm happy with
Awesome.
that. So far, so good.
Okay, did you get this? Healing
I did get
balm?
that.
It's healing balm.
We are going to just be so balmed and healed from all of this. We got brightening, smoothing, and healing.
Yeah, head to toe.
What is this for?
I don't know. I'm opening it though.
Safe, smart, selective, sustainable. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Well, I mean,
and you can't see it. There
what body part do you put this on?
It's from a doctor. Oh, uses. Chapped lips, cuts, burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skin care. Beauty hacks, it says, or baby ointment. It is like you do whatever.
I got a little bit too much, but it feels really nice on my lips.
I just put lip gloss on, so I won't do it. But shoot, apply liberally. It says.
Well, I sure did.
Greasy lips. Oh my goodness.
Okay, I didn't get that. You should.
Oh, they're telling me I need to exercise. These are resistance bands.
Oh, cool.
Burn 60 is high intensity interval training for all fitness levels.
Well, that means you can do it.
That mean, what are they saying?
They're just saying, you know,
I'm a.
you could be beginner or advanced, but either way you can use them.
This body takes
Open it up.
real
Let's
work.
look at it.
Oh, okay. She's gonna make me use them.
I'm gonna make you do anything. So,
Oh. Oh, they're different than I thought. There's a thinner one. I don't really know.
you can just do all
You
kinds.
open the red one. I'll open the
do all
white
kinds
one.
of things with these.
And we'll be Switzerland.
Oh wow!
Oh, I feel
And then
high
if you,
intensity
if you hold it
coursing
closer,
through my
you get
veins.
more. Yeah. And then I bet you could step on one, and then
You know what? We're gonna leave these at work, cause when I'm not busy, I'm gonna get myself in shape.
you can wear it as a belt or a scarf.
This is more use, I think, for me.
Well, either way, you'll get a use of
One of
you'll get
these
used to
days,
it.
I'm gonna have a good body.
You don't have this, do you?
No,
All right, this is made by Living Proof, which I love, and it's
I love Living Proof.
nourishing styling cream. So it stops frizz and lightly conditions your hair.
I love Living Proof.
Yeah, that's good.
Which I would never really like buy it.
Oh, that smells nice. It smells really good.
Oh, it does.
Oh,
I'm gonna be jealous of that.
I'm going to use
Well,
it.
I got the bands.
And I'm going to smell good. I don't have that.
Ooh, Dr. Brandt. This is a mystery choice. I've never had a mystery choice.
How did you get a mystery
I
treat?
don't know, but I have it.
Well, let's
And
see
it's
what it is.
tied. It's such a mystery. They want you to.
But it's in a see-through bag. It's not that
It's
big
from
of a
another.
mystery.
It's from a doctor. It's oh, it's a cleanser. Pore purifying cleanser
Ooh.
with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. Yeah, I need this. I'm out of cleanser because it's time for me to go see a certain someone that I haven't got to see, where I get my cleanser. So I'm gonna use that tonight too.
All right. I have no idea what this is.
Oh, I don't either. Oh, I think I might have an idea. It's some fabric.
So, you have an idea? Did you cheat and watch something?
No, I'm just saying I have an idea. It's some fabric.
Oh, it's a robe. Is this like the last one we got? That last one I love.
I love that last one too. I actually did a trade. I got the measuring spoons last time, and I didn't get the robe.
Oh, that's good. It's
like a kimono?
Yeah, it's like a kimono. And so you tie it here.
So it really wouldn't cover like a robe, but you could wear it with like a tank. Yeah, I don't think it's a robe. I think it's.
You think it's just like a
I
kimono?
think it's a
to wear open?
fashion
Fashion
item.
statement?
Maybe
got-
with like a black tank.
And it's got pockets. Fabric's nice. Nice and
Cute.
cool for these.
What brand is it?
It is. May have to look at this.
That last brand was Moo Moo. Anyway, I traded my measuring spoons with one of my
Spiritual
friends.
gangster. That is me. Spiritual gangster.
Oh yeah.
All right, go.
Okay. I did my what is that called when you like pick out when they first come out? When you like pick
Oh,
what you
you
want.
get to customize. I didn't. I missed mine.
This is the first time I have, but I wanted this cute little hair dryer. It's a travel dryer.
That's cute.
I don't know how
And
strong it's gonna be.
And it's marble.
Should we just plug it in? Yeah. Look, it comes with a cute. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Oh my gosh!
Goes to the diffuser.
It comes with the cutest little. I just have to open it. That's the cutest little diffuser I have ever seen in my entire life. Christy, did you see that?
Uh-oh.
She just unplugged the light. My goodness. And a little condenser. I'm so excited.
Okay. So this is it.
It ain't
Oh,
working.
can you hit the red button? Thanks.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty strong for a little bitty.
It really is.
Thing.
I'm so excited. That's so cute. And it looks
That
like
is-
marble.
It does look. That's cute.
Look. What is this? You can switch it from 120 volt to 240. I don't know what that means. But you can.
But you can.
Right there.
Well, you can read the directions.
Maybe. I'm just so excited about that. That's so cute. It's like a mini.
That is cute.
Okay. Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm all excited about that. Oh, it's another box.
It is. It's a box, within a box.
Within a box. Oh, I'm so excited about this too. I think I customized this. It is a message board.
I mean, what message do you want to send? Oh, it's got like little emoji
Yes.
type things.
And you have it, and you make your own little messages.
So I can put on there, Misty, you're annoying me today.
Yeah, and I can write back, you annoyed me first. Or, you love it.
Or, Christy and Alyssa are beautiful.
She's just trying to make me jealous.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's what the board needs.
I love these
with
things.
like a happy face with little hearts for the eyes.
I'm such a kid.
I like it.
I like this box.
I do too. They did a good job.
They did.
We got lots of stuff to play with tonight.
Yeah.
And I can wear my kimono, and I can spritz my face, and I can condition my hair.
I'm gonna balm up my feet. No, it's a mask up my feet and balm up my lips. Anyway,
thank you for watching. This was a great box. Hope you guys enjoyed your box too.
bye.
Bye.